Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal 2 in virtual reality. First, gather your essential equipment: a PC VR headset like a Valve Index or MetaQuest, and a robust gaming computer. Your PC should have at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a modern graphics card for smooth performance. Make sure Steam VR is fully installed and updated, and that Portal 2 is ready to launch. Next, let's get the VR mod installed. You will need to download the dedicated Portal 2 VR mod, often found on community sites like GitHub or ModDB. Once downloaded, extract the mod's contents directly into your main Portal 2 game folder. Look for an executable file or follow the detailed text instructions to complete the installation, ensuring all files are placed correctly for the mod to function. To truly enjoy Portal 2 in VR, optimize your experience. Start by fine-tuning the VR settings within the game's menu, focusing on comfort and visual fidelity. Many players find teleportation locomotion reduces motion sickness, but smooth movement offers greater immersion. Always calibrate your physical play space, ensuring you have at least 6 feet by 6 feet of clear area to move safely and avoid bumping into objects. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is part of the VR journey. Many common problems, like performance drops or tracking glitches, have solutions readily available on community forums and dedicated mod pages. Always keep your graphics drivers and Steam VR software updated to their latest versions. If all else fails, a clean reinstall of the mod, or even Portal 2 itself, can often resolve stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.